Are you looking to keep your garden flourishing throughout the year? Well, you're in luck because August is the perfect time to get your hands dirty and plant some fresh vegetables that will give you a delicious harvest as the weather cools down. Whether you're a seasoned gardener with years of experience or someone who's just starting to explore the joys of gardening, I've got some fantastic tips for you. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through the best veggies to plant right now in the UK. Trust me, your garden is gonna love this, and so will you. 1. Leafy greens. Let's kick things off with some leafy greens. They're like the backbone of any garden. Spinach, kale, and lettuce should be at the top of your list this August. These greens absolutely thrive in the cooler temperatures that late summer brings, and they grow quickly, which means you'll have a constant supply of fresh leaves for your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. Plus, there's nothing quite like walking out to your garden and picking your own salad ingredients straight from the soil. Just remember, leafy greens like a bit of extra care when it comes to watering. Make sure they stay hydrated, especially during any unexpected dry spells. Keep the soil moist and your greens will reward you with their vibrant growth. 2. Root vegetables. Next up, let's dive into the world of root vegetables. These are the hidden treasures of your garden. Carrots, beetroot, and radishes are fantastic choices to plant in August. These root veggies do really well in well-drained soil, and they love the cooler weather, which helps them develop that perfect, satisfying crunch. Not only are they easy to grow, but they're also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Imagine pulling up a bunch of bright orange carrots or deep red beetroots from your garden. It's like unearthing buried treasure. And the best part, root vegetables store well, so you'll be able to enjoy them throughout the autumn months. Just give them some space to grow underground and they'll do the rest. 3. Brassicas. Now, we can't talk about August planting without mentioning the brassicas. If you're after some hardy vegetables that can withstand the changing weather, broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower are your go-to options. These veggies love the cool, damp conditions that late summer and early autumn bring in the UK. They do take a bit longer to grow compared to some other vegetables, but let me tell you, the wait is absolutely worth it. Imagine cutting into a large head of broccoli that you grew yourself. It's incredibly satisfying and deliciously fresh. Plus, brassicas are packed with nutrients, making them a great addition to your diet. Just keep an eye out for any pests and give them plenty of space to grow, and you'll have a thriving brassica patch in no time. 4. Herbs for flavor. And lastly, let's add a little flavor to your garden and your cooking with some herbs. August is a great time to plant herbs like parsley, coriander, and chives. These herbs are incredibly easy to grow, whether you have a large garden or just a small space for pots. They don't need much attention, but they'll reward you with fresh aromatic leaves that you can use to enhance all your meals. Imagine the scent of fresh parsley as you pick it for a garnish, or the flavor of coriander in your curries and salads. Herbs are like the unsung heroes of the garden, low maintenance, yet so rewarding. Plant them now, and you'll have fresh herbs at your fingertips for months to come. So there you have it, the best vegetables to plant in August in the UK. Whether you're planting leafy greens, root veggies, brassicas, or flavorful herbs, you're setting yourself up for a bountiful harvest that will see you through the cooler months. Gardening in August is all about planning ahead and making the most of the mild weather. Don't wait, get those seeds in the ground and watch your garden come to life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.